So with that, let me also invite our two speakers. We have with us Aparna Pandey, a hyper-automation specialist with Datamatics. And we also have with us Sachin Rane, who's the EVP and Head Software Solutions with Datamatics. With that, let's get the session started.
Let's look at what is hyperautomation. Hyperautomation, as per Gartner's definition, is businesses automate our entire business as well as IT processes to the best possible extent using tools like RPA, using tools like AI, using tools like machine learning, so on and so forth. As per my definition, hyperautomation is the automation to the max possible extent. So what are the tools for hyperautomation? Essentially there are 6. One is robotic process automation, second is process discovery, third is process mining, fourth is intelligent business process management system, fifth is low code, and sixth is business rules engine. Now that we have seen what are the tools to implement hyperautomation solution, I think it's important to look at how in practical situation it has been done. So we typically use IBM platform to implement a hyper-automation solution for our customers, and now we will see some of the use cases which have been successfully implemented, rolled out. Customers have benefited with this hyper-automation solution, and my colleague will take you through the journey. Thank you.
A quick overview of our partnership with IBM. We have over 15 years of Datamatics IBM partnership, and we have delivered a number of solutions in IBM ECM BPM space in banking, manufacturing, power, government, among other sectors. Now let's have a glimpse of the various accelerators and services that we have implemented and we have deployed for our customers worldwide using the digital business automation platform. This is helping our customers in increasing their productivity and enhancing the customer experience. So we'll see few of these solutions in details today, like trade finance, accelerator, loan origination solution, digital workplace, contract management systems. So the first solution that we're going to talk about is the Trade Finance Accelerator. Trade Finance Business Accelerator is a comprehensive and configurable solution which supports full volume of trade finance transactions and has support of full array of instruments like letter of credit, collections, shipping guarantee, loans, reimbursements, etc. As we know, trade finance is a document-centric process with every transaction requiring minimum 15 to 20 documents to be scrutinized and processed. With the power of cognitive capture, our solution auto-classifies these documents and does the data capture. All this reduces the manual data entry significantly, which is currently being done in the front and back offices. Infused with AI and ML capability, the data capture success rate for our solution is significant. Our solution supports transaction initiation through multiple modes like email, scanners, fax, and our solution is fully compliant with SWIFT with integration with both incoming and outgoing SWIFT messages. We have incorporated over 100 international trade finance rules like UCP 600, ISBP 745, document consistency checks, and all this helps in doing the automated scrutiny of the documents, thereby improving the turnaround time of processing of transactions significantly. We have pre-configured digital workers and interface adapters which helps in integrating our solution with core trade finance products, core banking solutions, even the compliance and regulatory solutions and risk assessment solutions like Hunter, FICO, FIRCO, WordWatch, internal sanction list, all can be integrated very easily with our solution. Our solution also leverages robotic process automation. We have scenarios like vessel tracking, we have scenarios like airway bill tracking and shipment tracking, which currently requires a lot of manual intervention where users have to log in into multiple websites to check for these details. With our solution, robotic process automation takes care of most of these use cases. We have Smart Inbox, we have features like seamless collaboration and automated diagnostics, which helps in expediting and streamlining the processing of transactions at back offices. Smart Inbox is a very good feature which highlights the high priority cases. It provides an optimized load balancing of tasks. It also provides a very quick view of all the transactions and cases which are about to breach policy or about to breach SLAs, so that the right actions can be taken at the right time. The solution is powered by IBM CP4A products like DataCap, ODM, EAW, Digital Worker, etc. And the solution is deployed in a number of banks worldwide and is helping our customers in improving the productivity and improving the turnaround times. Especially for the document processing and scrutiny scenarios, the manual document processing and scrutiny usually takes 3 to 4 hours per transaction. However, with our inbuilt robust decision management and rules and automated processing, most of the document scrutiny for most of the transactions can be done within a minute in our solution. So that's the power and that's the benefit that our solution brings to the table. Moving on to the next solution, which is the loan automation solution. So loan origination solution is a business accelerator that we have developed to help the lenders realize the full benefits of automation. This is a solution which fully integrates into the ecosystem and it has rich straight-through processing features. The solution supports online banking, it supports mobile banking, it supports all banking channels like branches and direct sales agents, thereby providing customers an omni-channel experience. Lenders can onboard their customers in any channel of their liking and their convenience. The direct sales agents are empowered to create applications and log in cases directly from the ground. So they have more time to be on the ground, to be in the field, interacting with customers and prospects, rather than sitting in the office and doing manual data entry to log in the cases. This has improved the customer onboarding experiences for most of the lenders. The robust decision management module of our solution automates the decisions, streamlines the workflows, and enhances STP processing of the cases. We have rules automated for customer pre-screening. We have rules for document verification, customer deduplication check. The base products for this solution are IBM BACA, ODM, BAW, and Digital Workers. Pre-configured Digital Workers are used to do manual repetitive tasks, and this gives the users a lot of time to do more of the productive tasks. So this is how we are helping our customers in their loan origination journeys. So apart from these solutions that we have developed for banking customers, there are other solutions also that we have implemented, which I would like to give you a small glimpse upon. These solutions are used in manufacturing and government domains. Digital Workplace is one such flagship solution of ours, which is being used by a number of government organizations. This is an easy-to-use platform which supports and enables the governance policies. It saves time and money in doing the day-to-day office work. The key benefits includes providing a green office environment, digital approval of workflow, and efficient tracking of assets. The key modules of this solution includes correspondence management, office notes management, meeting management, document management, among others. The workflows are fully customizable and full access is given to the users to create ad hoc tasks, ad hoc screens for these cases. Another solution is the contract management solution, which is a platform designed to negotiate, support, and manage contracts effectively with effective coordination and collaboration between vendors, customers, and partners. This ensures compliance to contractual governance. This helps the companies by increasing their productivity and strengthening the accountability. Because usually contract management and contract creation is a very manual activity in most of the organizations. With this solution, there's a lot of automation which is brought to the table and which increases the productivity in the entire end-to-end contract management process significantly. The solution is built on the principles of library management, and we have features for dynamic process creation. We have features for dynamic assets creation, dynamic user interface creation, which the users can do by their own. With business automation insights, cognitive search capabilities are available based on IBM Watson Explorer.